Welcome to a bowl of happiness. Today we are making colorful avocado and salmon on rice. 今日は春色アボカドサーモン丼。彩りが春らしく爽やかな一品です。とっても簡単で豪華に見えますし、何しろ美味しいのでぜひお試しください。A bowl of steamed rice topped with pure luxury from the ocean and a beautiful green avocado. This Japanese rice bowl turns out to be one of the easiest dishes imaginable. We prepared two kinds of sauce today, the Korean style and the Japanese wasabi sauce. I actually prefer the Korean style.今回はユッケ風とわさび醤油の2種類のタレを用意してみました。どちらも美味しいんですが、私はユッケ風がお気に入りです。切ってタレを混ぜるだけのお手軽さが嬉しいですよね。For Korean style, you only need soy sauce, mirin, and sesame oil. This is actually my favorite combination.I just can't get enough of avocados. I love them so much, but they're really hit or miss. It can be quite a challenge to find an avocado that's not too hard nor too soft. But when you find just the right one, it makes it all worth it. Did you know that the avocado is listed by Guinness Book of Records as the most nutritious fruit on earth?アボカドは大好きなのですが当たり外れがありますよね。硬すぎたり熟れすぎたりタイミングが本当に難しい。緊張感を持って包丁を入れるときに思わず息を止めてしまいます。世界一栄養価が高い果物としてギネス記録に認定されているらしいです。森のバターと呼ばれるアボカド、ビタミン E も豊富で栄養たっぷりです。And before you know it, it's the final touch of the Korean-style bowl of the day. Put the salmon and avocado with the sauce on the rice, topped with shredded shiso leaves, dried seaweed, and some sesame seeds. そうこうしているうちにもう仕上げに入ったアボカドサーモン丼。ユッケ風です。ご飯の上に敷いてアボカドとサーモンをタレごとのせ、シソ、刻み海苔、ごまをトッピングしていきます。And this is the wasabi soy sauce style. Just let the sliced salmon soak in soy sauce and wasabi for a few minutes, and then put them onto the bowl. そしてこちらはわさび醤油風。ちょっと盛り付けを変え、わさび醤油に数分つけたサーモンで仕上げます。Sometimes when I crave for avocado, I just cut it in half.Take the seed out and pour a bit of soy sauce in the hole there. I squeeze in a bit of wasabi and eat with a spoon. アボカドが大好きなのでたまに半分に切って種を取り、その穴の中に醤油を少し垂らしてわさびを入れ、スプーンで食べるなんてこともしています。And here we are, our 春色アボカドサーモン丼 is ready. That's it. This bowl is super simple. As you can see, it'll be ready in a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. We introduced delicious Japanese homemade dishes that are easy to make.Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. 簡単で美味しい料理をご紹介しています。お気に召しましたら高評価ボタン、チャンネル登録をぜひお願いします。